What's up, you guys? It's your girl Magali back with another video. I love the box that we're making today. Oh my, I don't know if it's the color combo because black and red are my favorite colors. Or like, it's just so freaking cute, you guys. Like, if you're anti-Valentine's Day or you know somebody anti-Valentine's Day, you gotta give them this box. Like, this is so freaking cute. And also, you guys, before I forget, everything that I'm showing you guys right now will also be linked in my description. That way you guys know exactly what I'm using in case you guys forget. And yeah, don't forget to check that out. And these are also my new favorite sprinkles. I'm pretty sure it's just because they're red. Like, you guys, I'm not playing. This red is so freaking nice. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know that I only needed freaking red sprinkles in my life. So to achieve this black, this is one of the most questions that I always get in all of my videos when I use the color black. I honestly just use milk chocolate. So you always want to start off with a milk chocolate base, and then I add black color milk to it, and it gets the perfect black. So you guys, for the first 3 berries, we're going to do the waterfall sprinkle again. And I absolutely love this design. It's so easy, cute. Like, come on now. Easy and cute. Yeah, we on that. But basically, you want to work on this while the berry is still wet. So once you dip it, make sure you got your sprinkles on deck like I did. And you're just going to waterfall them, basically. That's why we call this the waterfall berry. So we're basically just going to repeat that on the next 2. And like I said before, make sure that you focus the sprinkles on the top of the berry and let them kind of fall down, because you do not want to have like a straight line across of just sprinkles. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all know what I'm saying. And you guys, for the next 3 berries, we're also going to be keeping them cute and simple or whatever. We're just going to be drizzling on them, you guys. Honestly, this whole box is very simple and easy. And if you're a beginner, I think you can definitely achieve this box. It's totally beginner friendly. And if you guys do, make sure to tag me. Y'all already know. Tag, send it to me, mail it to me, all of that. I want to see it. I did forget to record when I was making my breakable heart, because honestly, you guys can see in this clip that it's a freaking mess. I ended up getting black chocolate everywhere because I actually had some on my gloves, and you guys, it was a mess. You guys, one of my videos on TikTok actually went viral because I didn't do a bottom on a breakable heart. And I honestly was like, what? I feel like a lot of people don't put bottoms on their hearts. They just put the heart, right? Let me know if you guys do that, because your girl don't be doing bottoms unless it's requested. And I noticed somebody asked me if I use mini cupcake liners on one of my YouTube videos, and the answer is yes. They are my favorite to use. I used to use the regular ones, but I feel like they make the berries look small, and girl, we want them to look big and juicy. So I use the little mini ones, and I think they look way better this way. I think by now you guys can tell that these are one of my favorite sprinkles. I have used these in every single one of my videos, and if you guys have not gotten these yet, then I have no idea what you guys are doing. Y'all are not listening to me. Y'all need to order these ASAP, okay? But these berries were giving a little bit of bland, so I had to spice them up a little bit with just adding the heart on them. And tell me that does not just give it an extra little touch, you guys. Like, this box is beautiful. We are going to need a little bit of red, but just for the letters, you guys, like not that much. We didn't really use any red chocolate up until this point, and it's really just for the letters. And this mold is totally giving like goth vibes for me, so I had to use it for this box. I usually use my other one that you guys already know that I use in every single one of my videos. But we had to switch it up for this box because these letters are definitely going with the vibe. So for this box, I totally thought it was right for it to say "Not Today, Cupid," okay? And let me know what you guys think down below, because I actually had to Google this because I didn't know what to put on this box. But I still think it's cute, okay? Okay. When you guys are putting letters on your breakable hearts, make sure that you're using the same color you made the heart. So like for the chocolate in the back of the letters. That way when you stick them on and say you got to move it a little bit, you're not going to be able to tell that you messed up. So that's what I do, and that's why usually my stuff looks a little bit cleaner. And that is a great tip for beginners because I be peeping, y'all. Stop it, okay? And also, I usually start with the middle letter right in the middle of the heart. So where that line down the middle is, I will put the middle letter right there, and then I'll go on and do the rest of the word. That way everything is centered and it looks really nice and cute, because sometimes my stuff be uncentered and it stresses me out. So just take your time when you guys are doing this part, because you do not want it to come out all crooked and not cute, okay? So the only thing we're missing now is some glitter. Y'all already know I be going dumb with this glitter. I absolutely love adding hella glitter to everything. All right, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below. And don't forget to check out my description to see what I used to make this box. If you guys end up recreating it, please tag me. Don't be shady, okay? Bye!